Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of the AC Hotel in Kingston and talk about the construction of a second AC Hotel in Montego Bay. Now this is the Kingston location, very nice hotel, one of the top hotels in Kingston. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they're going to do with the second hotel in Montego Bay. Montego Bay, Jamaica's tourism capital, is about to experience a new wave of urban transformation with the construction of the AC Hotel by Marriott Montego Bay, a project spearheaded by Sandals Resorts International and its executive chairman Adam Stewart. Positioned on the former Sandals Carlisle property along the city's famous Hip Strip, this new hotel is more than just another addition to Jamaica's hotel sector. It's a deliberate move toward modern, lifestyle-oriented hospitality that blends international branding with community-conscious development. The AC Hotel Montego Bay is designed to reflect contemporary luxury while preserving a strong connection to the local urban fabric. Set to open by 2027, the project will feature 165 to 168 ocean view rooms, underground parking, rooftop terraces, and public beach access. The property is situated just 4 minutes from the Sangster International Airport, giving it prime accessibility for both international travelers and Jamaicans from other parishes. Built on structural piles, the hotel is being designed by the American firm Baskerville with a concept that embraces clean lines, modern finishes, and a neutral color palette accented with blues and metallics inspired by the Caribbean Sea. One of the most distinctive features of this hotel is its European plan (EP) model, meaning it will not be all-inclusive. Instead, guests will pay for accommodation only and have the freedom to explore nearby dining, shopping, and cultural experiences. This is a major departure from Jamaica's dominant all-inclusive tourism product. According to Adam Stewart, this strategy is not just a business decision but a philosophical one. The hotel is meant to serve both visitors and locals. It aims to encourage guests to engage with Montego Bay's restaurants, shops, and nightlife, thereby stimulating the local economy. Beyond its architectural appeal, the AC Hotel Montego Bay is playing a direct role in the revitalization of Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, formerly known as the Hip Strip. The construction phase is expected to create hundreds of jobs and boost demand for contractors, suppliers, and technical services. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. And let us know what you think of the location in Kingston. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.